20 grams of ground coffee. So I'm gonna make latte. Okay, so I will use ground coffee 20 grams in my portafilter. I already set my grinder, so already this is 20 grams of coffee. Then I will level it. After level it, I will tamp so that I can have good flow for good extraction of espresso. Then I will flush it by group head so that I can make ready to do extraction. And then I will put my cup for latte. The latte is the big cup. And then I will start extraction. When you do extraction, because I use 20 grams of coffee, and then if I use 20 grams of coffee, I have to have 40 ml of espresso. And 40 ml of espresso, as my calibration, it will be on 22 seconds. Now I have 40 grams of espresso. Then I'm gonna steam my milk. And the milk should be not too much hot. Should be balanced hot, so that you can taste your coffee. And then before I steam, always you have to plunge your steamer. Okay? Like 5 seconds. And then you will level it your pitcher. Then you can position it and start steaming. After that, you watch. If you don't have sticker, use your hand to feel the temperature. And then my temperature, okay. Now it is 60 temperature. This temperature is okay for my latte. And all coffee lovers, they always want little hot in a coffee. When you make too much hot your coffee, it will not be much good. So now I will make my latte, and then I will pour syrup. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is syrup. So this is latte. Latte always have little foam on the top. Not with cappuccino, you have more foam. Then if you put spoon, it will sink. But the latte, if I put now spoon, for example, I put spoon. If I put spoon on the top, it will sink direct. Okay, this is latte. Yes. But if it is cappuccino, it will be on the top because it's more foam. Okay, thank you for watching. We will have more tips about coffee from today. Okay, thank you so much.